Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. This is a real fixer-upper, at least as far as the carpet is concerned. There are spots and stains everywhere. When I heard we had an opportunity to do carpet on a houseboat, I was really excited. I remember the movie with Cary Grant called Houseboat.
You ever see anything so beautiful? Are you out of your mind?
Hi, my name's Jody Tucker. I'm one of the installers at Island Carpet. When you're on the boats installing, as you can see, there's varnish everywhere. We take our time, we go slow, we make sure that we're very careful not to scratch the varnish. We got some new pad down, a spill guard pad. That's good for the water not penetrating through and damaging the floor.
You better get off the boat.
Ah, if only I could stay on the houseboat. I have to leave. The carpet is done. It's all ready for an Airbnb guest. Who wouldn't want to stay on this houseboat? Docked in the Providence Marina, right next to the Hot Club. So if you're interested in staying on the new houseboat with a really wonderful new carpet, you too can book a night by the beautiful Providence River. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwood, speaking to you from the cockpit of Lola and Jiji.